Why do 90% of businesses choose us for glass replacement? When disaster strikes, speed matters. At Window Repair US Inc., we specialize in same-day storefront glass replacement. Our professional team ensures your business stays secure and looking sharp. Imagine this. You call us at 929-209-4937, and we're there in a flash, ready to fix the problem. No long waits, no hassle. We understand that time is money. That's why we're committed to delivering fast, reliable service that gets you back to business in no time. Plus, our expert technicians guarantee a perfect fit every time. So why wait? Keep your storefront looking great and your business secure. Call Window Repair US Inc. today at 929-209-4937 for a free estimate. Fast, reliable, professional. Because your business deserves the best.